Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In these tutorials, we're going to discuss, not only discuss, we'll take a look ins and out of newly published Shopify theme in the Shopify theme directory. And today in this tutorials, we're going to talk about Thinker theme because I have already shared the video about server theme and fabric theme. You can check out my YouTube channel, then you will find the review video about this theme, and in the upcoming days you will get the video how to set up server theme, fabric theme, and customize, or also how to make niche based e-commerce website with using these newly published themes. Upload video only for server or fabric themes. Also I will upload video all the newly published themes about its customization, use of picture, and making a full professional e-commerce website using each theme and for different type of business. So let's get started. So as we have decided to talk about this theme, first of all I'm going to open this one. So Thinker theme is totally free, and first we are going to view the demo, then we will discuss about its feature and discuss about everything. So let's take a looks of their demo, and the good news is that it's already get 100% review, 100% positive review, and developed by Shopify. So I'm going to click on the view demo and press your control on the keyboard to open in new tab. Wow, this looks very neat and clean, and it's wild for customized craft item, and this theme is basically focused on wild Shopify store or online business customized craft item. So they have added banner in the top, and also let me open light shot. They have added title in the left side and description in the right side. That's make it very unique if you compare with other themes. Then they have added transparent header, also the header top section, but I think if we remove header top section then it looks more professional. Okay, then scroll down, added product, featured product, but another very important feature we can see right now, that is when I hover we can see a carousel arrow. So click on it. Wow, slide in each product. This is very unique feature and it's totally premium featured, so it's make it very professional. If I only describe in here then you cannot understand everything, but right now you can understand everything. And they have added quick add to cart button. Wow, you see, item added. Wow, with a eye-catching picture, also the color selector or filter or color chooser. And scroll down, then the video with text, and it's totally reflects the text with image section that's popularly used on DOM theme. They have added video with text, also they have added image. It's make totally professional looks. Then shop by collection, and it's totally reflects general collection section by layout. Looks here, they have added different banner. Okay, then the email newsletter section. Okay, and the footer, but I don't like it too much. It's my honest review, I don't like it. And the footer section, they can improve the footer design much more, but it's okay so far. And now we are going to visit other pages. For example, click on this product to open the product page, and it looks as usual very professional and eye-catching typography and color combination. Also if we look its layout, very neat and clean. feature details with tab section, then video banner. Wow. And shop the full collection, relevant product, newsletter. So I think you can easily upgrade your store with this theme. If you want to make your store professional and your business relevant craft item or customized item, then you should right now start upgrading your store design. And if you need any service, then I am here, I can help you with that. So overall, my opinion, it's totally professional theme that you are going to get in free or for free. Of course, you will get video how to build your website with this theme, or how to design or upgrade your store with this theme, and how to customize or develop any part if we feel that necessary using this theme. Okay, so now we are going to the theme details section, and we have already discussed about theme name. It's free, get 100 positive review, developed by Shopify, and craft a smart modern store font that showcases your creative vision. That's mean it's totally for creative product or ready to sell creative product. And here is the promo picture, efficient discovery picture. So we should check out the shop page. So go to the shop page, for example, go to the decor. Wow, you see, we can change the layout chooser, short chooser, color, price, ability. So looks very professional. Okay, and rich product presentation. Of course, we have already checked it. The product presentation is very rich. And from horizon collection, and here is the picture. This theme is get for quick setup and visual story, cart and checkout, added cart notes, signing with shop, in store picking. So this theme is get for quick setup. That's I have already shared it. If you want to quickly set up, then you can choose this theme. In the cart and checkout page, you will get general option, also the new feature like slide out cart, p-order, sticky cart, and signing with shop. And marketing and conversion, you will get blog, premium blogs design, and product base, countdown timer, promo banner, stock counter, cross selling, in menu, promo, quick view. Looks good. Merchandise, animation, image rollover, product options, slideshow, color chooser, image zoom, and product video. This is very important. And color chooser also another important element. Image gallery in each product, that's make it more professional and individual. Size guide, looks book, and finally the product discovery, enhanced search, and infinity scroll, sticky header, mega menu, choice filter. So overall, my recommend is to use it, to check it and upgrade your store for free. And you will get the full video guideline in my YouTube channel how to upgrade your store if your store relevant with this niche or relevant this product, and also how to customize and develop. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, WordPress or SEO, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.